The following video will provide an overview of Amphenol Ardent's SK series socket footprints. It will focus on the layout and design of the PCB footprint below the installed socket, as well as mounting and tooling requirements. The key to Amphenol Ardent's success lies in our patented core technology. Our contact sets provide the fastest, most electrically efficient connection thanks to the utilization of dual-side compression mount technology. In our SK series sockets, these contacts are housed within the interface portion of the socket. They are the electrical connection bridging the gap between the device under test and the PCB below. See Figure 1 for a display of the different sections of our socket. Amphenol Ardent's contacts have two states, free length and compressed. When compressed, the wire forms of the contact touch down on one another, and through this wiping action, an electrical short is initiated. The electrical short created in this compressed state allows for the shortest path possible for the signal to travel, resulting in industry-leading performance and speed. What this means is that planarity of the board is vital when using Amphenol Ardent's SK series sockets. To ensure total compression of the contacts evenly over the area of a socket, the tolerances and callouts of our footprints should be followed. If not, contacts may be unable to reach full compression and performance could suffer. In some cases, slightly decompressed contacts may not touch their designated pads, causing an open. To avoid loss of signal integrity and performance, we ask our customers to adhere to the callouts designated in all of our footprint drawings. When designing the footprint for your socket, there are some specifications to take note of that are listed below. These specifications are important to guarantee optimal performance of our socket. Items in bold are necessary for planarity. Attaching Amphenol Ardent's SK series connectors to your PCB requires a minimum of 2 locating dowel pins and 4 mounting screws. The dowel pins supply the fine alignment of the contacts within the insulator to the capture pads of the board, while the mounting screws secure the socket in place. The screws and pins are also visible from the top side of the socket. The image to the right shows the mounting holes on an actual PCB. 6 holes are required to attach the socket to the board, 4 mounting screw holes, and 2 locating dowel pin holes. While it is not a requirement, boards may also be equipped with 8 holes, 4 mounting screw holes, and 4 pin holes. The additional 2 locating dowel pin holes allow the socket to be mounted on the board in 4 potential positions.